Good day, everyone. Welcome to our science class. To start our lesson, let's look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, a place full of trash. Do you think it's healthy? Of course not, because trashes can harm our environment. So for today's lesson, what do you think are we going to discuss? Correct. It's about proper ways on how to protect our environment. But before we proceed, let's have our learning goals. First, identify ways on how to protect our environment. Next, practice proper ways of protecting our environment. And lastly, answer the seat work with 70% accuracy. And now, let's begin our lesson. Remember that living things depend on the environment to survive. They need a healthy one to live in. If the environment is dirty or polluted, it can harm living things. For example, pollution in rivers can make the water unsafe for fishes and animals to drink. Dirty air is unhealthy to breathe. Land filled with trash becomes a breeding ground for disease-causing bacteria, which harm humans and animals. We can see how clean and dirty places affect living things. In a clean environment, plants can grow healthy, animals can find food, and humans can breathe fresh air. It is important to protect our environment by keeping it clean and by conserving our natural resources. So for today's lesson, let's have the proper ways in protecting and sustaining our environment. First, we have to dispose garbage properly. Second, do recycling. Recycling is the process of collecting and reprocessing waste materials like paper, plastic, and glass into new products. Third, reduce the use of plastic. Means we may use eco bags or reusable bags, especially when going to the grocery or market. Next, turn off appliances when not in use. Let's conserve energy. Of course, we should plant trees. And let's not allow illegal loggers to cut more trees. Next, conserve water. Of course, by turning off the faucet when not in use. And lastly, keep the air clean by walking or using the bicycle instead of a car. To summarize, the different ways of protecting our environment are: dispose garbage properly, do recycling, reduce the use of plastic, turn off appliances when not in use, plant more trees, conserve water, and lastly, keep the air clean. But remember, class, all of this should not stay in our mind, but it should be done to keep our environment healthy for us living things to survive.